Interesting facts about planet Saturn. Saturn is sometimes called the jewel of the solar system. It is a planet that is nothing like our own. Humans have been gazing up at Saturn for a long time. They have been wondering about it for thousands of years. Facts. Saturn. Best known for its fabulous ring system, Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in our solar system. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant that can be seen with similar gases including hydrogen. It is the fifth brightest object in the solar system and is also easily studied through binoculars or a small telescope. Saturn was known to the ancients, including the Babylonians and Far Eastern observers. It is named for the Roman god Saturnus, and was known to the Greeks as Cronus. Saturn is the flattest planet. Its polar diameter is 90% of its equatorial diameter. This is due to its low density and fast rotation. Saturn turns on its axis once every 10 hours and once every 29, giving it the second shortest day of any of the solar system's planets. Against the backdrop of stars earned it the nickname of Lubitsch from the ancient Assyrians. The name means Saturn's upper atmosphere is divided into bands of clouds. The top layers are mostly ammonia ice. Below them, the clouds are largely water ice. Below are layers of cold hydrogen and sulfur ice similar to Jupiter's. The region around its north pole has a hexagonal-shaped pattern of clouds. Scientists think this may be a wave pattern in the upper clouds. Saturn is made mostly of hydrogen. The planet also has a vortex over its south pole that resembles a hurricane-like storm. The planet. Eventually, deep inside, the hydrogen becomes metallic. At the core lies Saturn has the most extensive rings in the solar system. The Saturnian rings are made mostly of chunks of ice and small amounts of carbonaceous dust. The rings stretch out more than 120,750 kilometers from the planet, but are amazingly frozen worlds. Only about 20 meters thick. Are Titan and Rhea. Enceladus appears to have an ocean below its frozen surface. Titan is a moon with complex and dense nitrogen-rich atmosphere. It is composed mostly of water ice and rock. Its frozen surface has lakes of liquid methane and landscapes covered with frozen nitrogen. Spacecraft have visited Saturn. Planetary scientists consider Titan to be a possible harbor for life, and the Cassini-Huygens mission have all studied the planet. Cassini orbited Saturn from July 2004 until September 2017. 20 sending back a wealth of data about the planet, bring the total to 82 and rings, 3 more than Jupiter. Saturn has a density of 0.687 grams/cubic centimeter. Just for comparison, water is 1 gram/cm3 and the Earth is 5.52. Saturn spins so quickly on dense than water that the planet would actually float out into an apple if you could find a pool large enough. Seriously, you see this by eye when you look at a picture with all that hydrogen. It looks like someone squished when Galileo first turned his rudimentary telescope on Saturn in 1610. He could see Saturn to bulge out, but he didn't know what he was looking at. He thought that the rings might actually be too large. Saturn appears as one of the 5 planets visible with the unaided eye. If Saturn is in the sky at night, you can head outside and see it. To see the rings and the ball of the planet itself, you'll want to Saturn 29.4 Earth years to amaze your friends and family by pointing out that bright star in the sky, and let them know they're looking at Saturn. In Roman mythology, Saturn was the father of Jupiter, king of the gods. The most common nickname for Saturn is the ring planet. Saturn has the fastest winds of any other planet in our solar system. Saturn is 1,424,600,000 kilometers from the Sun. The interior of Saturn is very hot. Saturn is known as a gas giant, but scientists believe it has a solid rocky core. The magnetic field on Saturn is slightly weaker than Earth's magnetic field. Saturn appears a pale yellow color because its upper atmosphere contains ammonia crystals. Saturn's moon Titan is the second largest moon in the solar system, behind Jupiter's moon Ganymede. The ring system of Saturn is the most prominent found in the solar system. They are composed primarily of billions of tiny ice particles, with traces of dust and other debris. This composition explains why the rings are visible to Earth-based telescopes. Ice is very reflective of sunlight,